Oliver here from BTP. Welcome to another Business Tech Planet video, where we're passionate about making tech make sense. Today, I'll be demonstrating how you can fix the Google Sheets paste values only function not working as intended. So, let's get started. To start off, open up the Google Sheet that you have values and content you wish to copy. You're going to want to click and drag over the selected range. If you're trying to paste something into Google Sheets, simply select the empty cells you wish to paste the values into. From here, you should see a heading at the top named Format. Click on that. Then, from the list, click on where it says Clear Formatting. This should stop the error message displaying. Right-click on the same selection and click on Copy. Finally, go over to where you want to paste the values. Right-click on the selected area, hover over Paste Special, then click on Values Only. The error should no longer display, as you can see on my screen. If that didn't work, you can try the simple solution of switching your browsers. Here are the 4 that I recommend you should give a go. Simply download any of these browsers and open up your Google Sheet on them. This will hopefully sort out the issue for you. The download links are down in the description. Finally, if all else failed, we can try clearing your browser's cache. I'll be using Chrome to demonstrate how to do this. Click on the 3 dots seen in the top right corner. From this list, click on History. And again, click History on the additional menu that pops up. From here, on the left side, click on where it says Clear Browsing Data. To maximize the effectiveness, make sure you have the time range set to All Time, and that you select all 3 of these options. Then select Clear Data. This may take a few seconds. Once finished, check to see if the error is fixed. If you'd like to learn more about this issue, please visit the Business Tech Planet website using the link in the description. We've gone over the topic in greater detail, so it's certainly worth a read. Alright, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I really hope we've been able to help you today. If you found this useful, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again, and see you next time.